Matt. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. You see it, folks. 5 kilowatts an hour. Just came in on a crate. It was a little bit of a fiasco. Might have been my fault. There you go. I got it. 20 solar panels, 250 watts each. So the fiasco is, I don't know if it was my fault or their fault, somewhere along the line, dealing with the people on eBay, something about, I had to pay an extra $200 to get it from R&L right here in town off the hub and into the garage. I had to do that through the eBay system. It was either for me to pick it up off the hub or deal with the guy through eBay, but everybody was friendly enough to get me through. So I went up there after work. I emailed the guy a little bit at work and got the payment. And then I stopped at R&L. They were friendly enough to come out and drop it immediately. So that was really, really cool. There'll be a lot of videos coming up soon. Solar panels, solar whatever. If you guys got any old 12-volt systems you want to get rid of, I think I'm going to be on overtime for a long, long time with a new electrical system we got going on. New digital everything for the factory now. So it's kind of slowing the things down a little bit. Until we get the bugs worked out, there's going to be a lot of overtime. And on that, I'm going to tell you, it's time to celebrate. Celebrate, dance to the music. So, solar panels and beer. And you have a beautiful solar day. Oh, tomorrow we're getting a solar powered weed whacker, Cobalt. And we're going to clean this place up. Everything's been on hold for the shipment. Have a beautiful day.